What if the biggest problem with AI tools today isn't finding good ones, but affording too many of them? For creators, marketers, and online sellers, the monthly bill adds up fast. One tool for AI writing, another for design, another for product research, another for video creation. Each one looks affordable on its own, $20 here, $30 there. But stack 5 or 6 of them together, and you're suddenly paying $150, $200, sometimes more every single month just to keep your workflow running. And that creates a real problem, especially if you're building an online business on a tight budget. You need powerful tools to compete, but you don't always have the cash flow to justify 5 separate premium subscriptions. That's the gap Ecom Tools is trying to fill. Ecom Tools is a platform that bundles a collection of AI, e-commerce, and creative tools into one subscription, instead of forcing you to manage a dozen separate accounts and invoices. The idea is simple. One dashboard, one login, one monthly payment, access to a variety of tools instead of juggling them all separately. So what can you actually do with it? If you're an e-commerce seller, there are tools for product research, competitor analysis, and figuring out which products and ads are actually performing well right now. If you're a creator or marketer, you get AI tools for content creation, research, brainstorming, and general productivity. The kind of thing you'd normally pay for separately through 2 or 3 different apps. And for visual content, there are design and video tools that speed up creating marketing materials, social posts, and product creatives without needing a separate subscription for each one. Here's the real advantage though. It's not just the number of tools, it's the convenience. Managing multiple subscriptions means multiple websites, multiple logins, multiple renewal dates, and constantly deciding which tools are worth keeping and which ones you're quietly wasting money on. Having everything under one roof removes a lot of that mental overhead. But let's be honest, is it too good to be true? Like any bundle platform, there are trade-offs. Getting access to premium tools through a shared platform is different from owning each subscription directly, depending on demand and usage. Some tools might run slower, have usage caps, or occasionally be less available than the standalone version. That's the nature of shared access. You're trading a bit of flexibility for a much lower price. So, who is this actually for? If you only rely on one specific tool and use it heavily, going direct might still make more sense. But if your workflow touches research, content, design, and marketing, multiple tools every single week, a platform like this can save you real money while cutting down the chaos of managing everything separately. The bigger idea behind Ecom Tools isn't just more software. It's making a wide range of powerful tools accessible without the burden of stacking a dozen subscriptions on top of each other. For entrepreneurs, creators, and online sellers juggling different tools every day, it's a practical way to simplify the workflow and keep more of your budget in your pocket. If you want to check it out yourself, the link's in the description. And if you want more honest breakdowns of tools that help you work smarter and spend less, subscribe. More of these are coming.